Hello students. The element carbon can form a large number of compounds, and due to catenation these compounds can exist in the form of chains, branches and rings. For example, two carbon skeletons are possible for a molecule having molecular formula C4H10. In this molecule there are 4 carbon atoms. So, these are the possible carbon skeletons for this molecule. A single carbon atom can form 4 covalent bonds. So, if we fill the remaining valencies with a hydrogen atom, we will get the structures like this. This type of molecules are called structural isomers. So, what are structural isomers? The compounds with identical molecular formula but different structures are called structural isomers. These are the examples for straight and branched chain carbon compounds. In addition to this, some compounds have carbon atoms arranged in the form of a ring. For example, cyclohexane having molecular formula C6H12. In this molecule, there are 6 carbon atoms, and these carbon atoms are arranged in the form of a ring. Thus, the carbon skeleton of this compound is like this. If we fill the remaining valencies of carbon atoms with hydrogen atoms, we will get the structure of cyclohexane like this. These cyclic compounds can exist as saturated and unsaturated compounds. Cyclohexane is an example for saturated compounds. That is, in this compound, all the carbon atoms are linked to each other by single bonds. Now, let us consider the case of benzene. Its molecular formula is C6H6.
Then, how can we draw its structure?
First, we can draw a ring of 6 carbon atoms like this. After that, put double bond alternatively in between the carbon atoms. Then fill the remaining valencies of carbon atoms with hydrogen, and this is the final structure of benzene. It is an example for unsaturated carbon compounds. It is because there is double bond in between the carbon atoms. All these carbon compounds which contain just carbon and hydrogen are called hydrocarbons. The saturated hydrocarbons are called alkanes, and they contain only single bonds between the carbon atoms. For example, methane, ethane, etc. The unsaturated hydrocarbons which contain one or more double bonds are called alkenes. For example, ethene, propene, etc. The unsaturated hydrocarbons which contain one or more triple bonds are called alkynes. For example, ethine, propyne, etc. I hope you understood the topic. Okay, thank you.